So in this remedy, I have this pineapple bark. I always store this in my freezer. Anytime I eat pineapple, I keep the bark if I am not using it immediately, because it is very nice. So you can start keeping yours. It's a very nice tea. You can use it and make a very nice tea for your own health. It does a lot of things. Then the next thing I have here is my lemon. So I will just go ahead and cut the lemon in pieces, just like so. Lemon is very good for your health. It aids weight loss. It detoxifies the body, like cleanses the body from toxins. It has large amount of vitamin C and a lot of all that goodies. And yeah, after cutting this lemon, I also need you can use only lemon, but I am just showing you here that you can actually use lime. You know, lime is always stronger than lemon, you understand? So I don't really use lime in my drinks or in my teas. I prefer to use lemons. So but I am just showing you that you can actually use lime if you can, if it's that's what you can get, so you can use it. So the next ingredient I need here is ginger. This is the amount of ginger that I am using for that. And yeah, it is already peeled and washed. Like, I've already removed all the barks and I've washed everything. So I just go ahead to cut everything in pieces. Then after cutting it, the next thing here that I'll be adding is a clove of garlic. So I'm just adding one. You can add as much as you can if you really like it. I love all these natural stuff, but I am adding only one garlic into my drink, into my juice. This is star anise. Star anise is very good for the health. It is very good, like it makes a very good natural tea for your health, for your heart, for your everything, and it aids weight loss. It is a very nice ingredient or spice for your own cooking or anything like tea. And this one is cloves. We all know cloves. It is very good for your health. And this is bay leaves. So yeah, I will also be adding a pinch of cinnamon. This is my cinnamon powder. If you don't have cinnamon, you can do away with that. If you don't want to add garlic, you can do away with that. So I'll just go ahead and add everything into my pot. Yeah, just like so. So let me just talk about the clove. Clove is a very healthy and beneficial spice. It gets rid of pains, like it's a natural painkiller. It gets rid of mouth odor or any odor at all. So it's a very good spices for your own health. You can use it in your teas. It's very nice. So just go ahead and pour water into the pot, enough water to cover, then boil for about 5 minutes, and yeah, your tea is ready. Yeah, so when your tea is ready, you see the color like this. It's a very rich tea and very healthy, very nutritious, very delicious, very yummy. You know how pineapple tastes in food, so that's how this tastes with combination of lemon and all of that. So this is it. This is how the color looks like. And yeah, the bay leaf there is a very, very strong fat melting spice that you don't want to miss in your kitchen. Like, you use it to cook, when you use it to cook your meat, it tends to remove all the saturated fat in that meat, and it filters the fat and leaving the good fat, like the fat that will remain in your pot will be the one that doesn't harm. So that's what it does to the body. It gets rid of bad fats and leaving you with healthy fat. So it is a very good and healthy spice to use in your tea, especially when it concerns fat reduction and weight loss. It's a very nice spice. So when it's warm, you just go ahead and take it. You don't need to allow it to get cold. You take it first thing in the morning and last thing at night, and trust me, before 2 weeks you will see your tummy, you will see the effect. Like it detoxifies your whole body, not only reducing your tummy fat, and is very safe for man and a woman. So thank you for watching. If you have watched this extent, please like and share. Don't forget to stay safe out there, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.